Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Android tablets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the A Pro Tablet 10-inch Android 14 tablet. This is the budget option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It packs a surprising amount of value for $59.99. With a quad-core processor running Android 14, 6 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, this tablet is perfect for casual users looking for an affordable option for streaming, browsing, and light productivity tasks. The design is simple but functional. The 1280 by 800 LCD touchscreen provides decent visuals for its price range, with low blue light technology to reduce eye strain. It's lightweight, but feels sturdy enough for regular use. The 6,000 mAh battery offers up to 6 hours of mixed usage, making it suitable for long study sessions or entertainment on the go. While it's not going to compete with premium models in terms of performance, it handles basic tasks well. However, the lack of GPS and limited camera quality, 5MP front and 8MP rear, might be drawbacks for some users. Overall, this tablet is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need a reliable device for everyday use. For under $60, it's hard to beat the value here. At number 3, we have the Urao 10.1-inch Android tablet. Priced at $89.99, this tablet offers an excellent combination of performance and affordability. Powered by an octa-core processor and running Android 14, it boasts a whopping 10 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB. This ensures smooth multitasking and fast app performance, making it a strong contender for gamers and entertainment lovers. The HD IPS touchscreen features a resolution of 1280 by 800 with low blue light technology for eye comfort. It also includes dual cameras, 5MP front and 8MP rear, which are adequate for video calls and basic photography. The 8-hour battery life and fast charging capability make it perfect for users who need a device that lasts through long sessions of streaming or gaming. However, the lack of GPS might be a limitation for some users. And its slightly bulky design, 1.81 pounds, could make it less portable. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Urao tablet stands out for its excellent specs and performance at under $90, making it a great choice for anyone seeking value without sacrificing quality. At number 2, we have the Lenovo Tab M9 2023, priced at $106. This tablet is a solid choice for those who value reliability and simplicity. It features a 9-inch HD display with a resolution of 1340 by 800, delivering a cinematic experience for watching movies or shows. With a 5,100 mAh battery that offers up to 13 hours of video playback, this tablet is perfect for binge watchers and travelers. The tablet includes facial recognition for secure and convenient login, and its MTK G80 octa-core processor ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks. While it only offers 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, it's sufficient for casual users who don't need heavy multitasking capabilities. Plus, the included folio case adds an extra layer of protection, making it a great option for on-the-go use. The rear 8-megapixel camera is decent for capturing moments, but the front 2-megapixel camera is less than ideal for video calls. Additionally, the smaller screen size might not appeal to those looking for larger displays. Overall, the Lenovo Tab M9 offers reliable performance and long battery life, making it a great choice for casual users and families. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Plus. Priced at $189.99, this premium tablet offers the best blend of performance, design, and features on our list. The sleek 11-inch WUXGA display with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a 90 Hz refresh rate delivers stunning visuals and smooth transitions, making it ideal for watching movies, playing games, or multitasking. The quad speakers, powered by Dolby Atmos, provide an immersive audio experience, while the upgraded Qualcomm chipset ensures fast performance for demanding apps. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, expandable via microSD, it's perfect for families, students, and professionals alike. Plus, Samsung Kids Mode offers a safe and fun environment for children, making this tablet incredibly versatile. Its slim, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the ability to cast to Samsung TVs enhances its functionality. The only downside is its higher price compared to other options, but given the premium build and advanced features, it's worth every penny. If you want a powerful, feature-rich tablet that excels in every category, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9++ is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.